Hi guys, I'm Mark Baldo from Solid Investment Realty, and we have 5 easy steps to avail a unit here at Urban Decom Ortigas. Kaya isa-isay natin. First step is to conduct a free site viewing para ma-check din yung place at makapili kayo ng desired unit nyo. Second step is to complete the requirements for pre-approval. So third step is reservation. So mayroon na tayong konting contract signing at konting interview, then diretso na tayo sa payment which is 10,000 pesos lang. Fourth step natin is maghahantay lang tayo ng loan approval, which is usually 1 to 2 months. And latest update, meron kaming client na na-approve in just 26 days. So ganun lang kabilis. So fifth and final step, at ito na yung pinakahihintay nyo, is time na for you to move in. So napakabilisan din ng move-in process dito. Magbabayad na tayo ng move-in fee which is 10,000 to 11,000 pesos lang for the installation ng electricity at water. Magkakandak ng konting orientation si CRA at pwede na tayo mag-start, magpasok ng gamit or magpa-renovate. Additional tip guys, look for an agent na ma-assist kayo all throughout. So again, I'm Mark Baldo from Solid Investment Realty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Yes sir!